car that's in front of me on I-15 northbound. It's all over the place.
It's the 911 call into UHP and the dash cam video from the car of Trooper James Martin. He was following an out-of-control vehicle and a disoriented driver.
He's going back on the road again. What the crap?
Marshall and her 2 kids are going from Syracuse to Tremonton to visit a relative.
My sister had called me in Willard, and I said I'll be there in just a few minutes, and after that I don't remember a whole lot.
That's because Marshall is a diabetic. She says her blood sugar was dangerously low when she veered off the interstate not far from her destination.
Nice to meet you.
Today, just miles away from the site of the crash, a meet and greet event for Mandy and the trooper who was right there when the accident happened. Martin says the crash is still fresh in his mind.
But of course, being out of it, foot still on the accelerator, so she spun out and shot straight back out.
Marshall and her 2 daughters were not seriously injured in the crash, but she believes it didn't hurt that Martin was right behind her when she had her diabetic seizure.